Hi, this is the MOTOROLA G14 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration to change the volume of the media, calls, ringtones, notification and alarm volumes. We should just slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panel. We could activate and turn off the Dolby Atom and the spatial sound by the click on the switcher. We could turn on and turn off the Don't Disturb mode to allow some calls, messages, and notifications during the Don't Disturb mode from many people, apps, or alarms. To set the schedule, the start, the end time of the D&D mode, to change the duration for quick settings, and to display options for hidden notifications. Let's go back. We could also change the ringtone for Sim 1, Sim 2 to activate the live captions. In media section, we could pin media player and show media recommendations with the help of the switchers. We could also turn on and turn off the vibration and haptic settings and to change them with the help of the switchers. Let's go back. Here we got the default notification and alarm sounds. We could change them. And also we could activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds. Always show icon in vibration mode, and to activate or turn off the power on or power off sounds with the help of the switchers by this way. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.